Hello and welcome. Chef Pennington here in Austin, Texas, where we bring flavor to the table. And today I'm going to show you how to make peach ginger lemonade. This is amazing. This is crazy healthy. I mean, super healthy. I drink this in the morning. I have been feeling amazing. It's peach season here in Texas, so I had to throw in some peach. Ginger is one of the healthiest things on the planet, a superfood. And we've all heard about drinking lemon water alone in the morning and how it's great for cleansing your body. I wrote an article on 40 reasons to do it in the morning, drink lemon water, and I'll put that in the description below. So let's take a look how to do this. We're going to do it a little bit different. We're going to use pressure cooker. We're going to use our Instapot, and I'm also going to use a traditional pressure cooker. It doesn't mean you couldn't put this in a pot on the stove and simmer it for a lot of hours, but the pressure cooker really brings out all the flavor and all the nutrients and everything we want that we don't exactly get on the stovetop, okay? So this is one more great use for your Instapot. Okay, so the lemons, you definitely want to use something that helps squeeze it to get all that extra juice out, because just squeezing with your hand is pretty rough. If you don't have one of these tools, you can put it in the microwave do it on like 15-second intervals, and what'll happen is that really tough, hard lemon will get soft and you'll be able to get a lot more juice out of it. So do take your time with that. So it's peach season here in Austin, Texas, and I was like, time to use some peaches. And it adds a really beautiful flavor, as you might have seen in the cover picture. So that's cool. And depending on what's seasonally available in your area, I would encourage you to use that. Like if it's strawberry season, it's just a cool way to rotate it. But keep the ginger and the lemon, because that's where the super healthy powerhouse of this is going to come. So if you're using a lot of citrus at the house, I just put it in a bag and save it. Or one of my buddies who's a really great bartender will save them because they squeeze them and use them fresh in their drinks. And he'll give me a bag of them, which is a great way to use something that's usually going to go in the garbage that's still crazy healthy. Okay, we're going to go for an hour and 15 minutes in the Instapot. Make sure that the little gauge is closed. And here's the results. Here's what I think. Let's taste it. That's very nice and balanced. It's not too strong. The ginger comes through really nice. The peach flavor is really soft in the background. And the acidity of the lemon is not overpowering. It's pretty good. All right, on to the next. It's even softer. I'm not sure which one I like better. I have to test again. It's really delicious warm. So as the color shows it, this is definitely stronger. I like this a lot. This though is extremely refreshing, and I mean, you can see that they're completely the same and very different just by the vessel we cooked in. Thanks for watching. I'll have a recipe card below talking about all this good stuff, the link to the 40 reasons to drink lemon water in the morning, and y'all have the best. Take care.